Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about keto. If you go on the internet right now and search weight loss diets, the results are endless. I'm not a medical professional, but one of the diets that I have had the most success with is the keto diet. The keto diet works by forcing your body to use a different type of fuel based on what you eat. Typically, your body uses glucose from carbohydrates to give you energy. If you cut out the carbs from your diet, your body is forced to find energy another way. The keto diet relies on ketone bodies, which is a type of fuel source the liver produces from stored fat. So basically, your body burns off fat you've stored instead of using energy from the carbs you eat. One of the main reasons it's very hard to stick to keto or any other diet is because when we get ready to snack, we get hungry. Like, you have to have stuff that is within your diet in reach, or you will quickly steer away from what you're supposed to be eating. So what I decided to do was go on a snack hunt. I went to Whole Foods and I got all of these snacks that are keto friendly. They have low carbs, and we're gonna do a little taste test. All right, so the first snack I'm gonna try are pork rinds. Now, I have always eaten pork rinds since I was a little kid. So we have this barbecue kind, and we also have this sea salt and vinegar kind. How they look? It tastes like a high quality pork rind. They do taste barbecue, but they taste more spicy barbecue than regular barbecue. You know, Better Made has those chips, and they have like and they have the red bag that's like the hot barbecue. These taste more like the hot barbecue. So it's not so spicy where like I can't finish it, but it's spicy. But I'd say this is good. Next, we're gonna try sea salt and vinegar. I really like salt and vinegar chips. To see what they taste like, what they look like. It's a no for me. They're very vinegary. I don't taste any salt. They don't taste anything like the Lay's salt and vinegar chips. I don't do well with diets that are restrictive. Like, I can deal with eat this and instead of this, but I can't deal with you can't eat this at all. And I also can't deal with limiting my intake. I'd rather exercise, but since we're trying food, then I wanted to get substitutes that are similar to things that I already like to eat. And now these are sour cream and onion, parm crisps. These are not that bad. In taste, they're actually good because you can taste the Parmesan and you can also taste the sour cream and onion. The Parmesan is a little more overbearing, so that's what it just tastes like, is you just ate a mouthful of Parmesan. You think it's gonna crunch like a chip, but instead it kind of crunches like a nut. I would snack on these. On to the sweet stuff, my favorite. The worst thing about keto for me is every time I get finished eating, I'd be like, I need something sweet. These are keto bites. They are white chocolate macadamia nut cookie dough. That is probably my favorite cookie ever. This is cute. Okay, y'all. This is good. Gives a funny little aftertaste. I would eat this. It tastes like real cookie dough. This is good. I would eat this. Next are these keto cups. I couldn't find peanut butter, but I got it in hazelnut butter. Smells really good. Smells like dark chocolate. All right, so first I'm gonna open. Oh, okay. Thought that would be more difficult. I'm gonna open it up just to see what it is on the inside. You know, I don't like mystery. I can't bite into something knowing there's something in the middle and not look at it first. Okay, and let's see. That's good. It doesn't taste like a Reese's because it's not peanut butter. The chocolate is very dark chocolate, so it's kind of bitter. But I actually like dark chocolate. We're gonna keep that in the rotation. This next thing is, it's a filled dark chocolate bar. Cut it in half. That's what it looks like on the inside. This is good too. It tastes just like the other one, actually. Really dark chocolate, kind of bitter. So if dark chocolate is not your thing, then, you know, find something else, sis or bro. So here's another one. This is a white chocolate bar. White chocolate is my favorite. I actually prefer white chocolate over milk chocolate and dark chocolate. It smells like peanuts. This is really good. It tastes like vanilla bean, and the consistency is a little thinner than the consistency of regular chocolate. Like, it's more airy, but the flavor is good. The texture is good. One thing about this though is it's very sweet. This doesn't have any sugar in it, but whatever they use to sweeten this is sweeter than sugar. So some people like that, some people don't. Typically that's not my favorite thing, but it works out, it's good. So the last of the snacks is these dark chocolate baking chips. Now I didn't realize that these were dark chocolate. I thought they were milk chocolate, but you know, we'll try them. These are made with coconut sugar, so let's see if they taste like chocolate and coconut. Oh, these are huge. Flat. This tastes like a higher quality dark chocolate. Like, you ever get dollar store chocolate and then you try like a Hershey's and you like, dang, it's both chocolate, but it tastes so different. That's how these are. That's good, but this is better. It's not sweeter, but it's not as bitter as the evolved chocolate. The last two things on our list are these keto drinks. I got one cookies and cream and I got one chocolate brownie. Not only are these keto, they're dairy free and they're made with plant-based protein. So these are like protein drinks meant to taste like shake. So first I'm gonna try, pick a number, 1 or 2? 2. I love me some chocolate. Oh, this smells really good. This smells like chocolate milk, or like a chocolate milkshake, or like brownies. It smells like, oh, it smells so good. Okay. This is also very good. It tastes like a milkshake, but you know how milkshakes are thick? It's made of coconut milk, and coconut milk is really thin. So this leaves like this thin consistency. It's very sweet and it's very chocolatey. This is really good. This is good. Now we're gonna try cookies and cream. So I expected this one to smell like this one because they both chocolate. This one doesn't. It don't even smell like Oreos. It has a hint of chocolate smell, but this one smells like a plant, you know. Does it taste like cookies and cream? No, but is it delicious? Yes. This one might even be better than this one in the sense that this one tastes more chocolatey. This one is more sweet, but you know how chocolate can be bitter, it can be sweet, or it can be like rich chocolatey? Like, this one is more rich in chocolate flavor. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video when Chloe gonna create something new.